Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a Temu affiliate program review and breaking down what it is, how it works, what's good, and what to consider before joining. The Temu affiliate program lets creators and influencers earn commissions by promoting products sold on Temu. You get custom affiliate links or promo codes, and when someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. This makes it possible to monetize your audience without selling your own products. One of the biggest advantages of the Temu affiliate program is the wide range of products available. Temu carries millions of items across categories like fashion, electronics, home goods, beauty, accessories, and more. So it's easy to find products that match your audience's interests and niche. This variety gives you more choices when creating content. Another positive is that Temu is known for low prices and frequent deals, which can make it easier to encourage purchases through your affiliate links. Users browsing for discounts or trending items might be more inclined to buy when linked from your content. Temu also provides affiliate management tools and tracking so you can see how your links are performing and how much you're earning. However, there are some drawbacks to be aware of. The commission rates can vary widely by category and are sometimes lower than other affiliate programs. Products with high competition or low profit margins may not earn significant commissions, so overall, earnings depend heavily on your audience and what they buy. Another thing to keep in mind is that Temu has strict affiliate program rules and guidelines. You need to follow their terms carefully to avoid having your links rejected or your affiliate status affected. This includes rules about how and where you promote your links and what platforms you can use. So, who is the Temu affiliate program best for? It works well for content creators, bloggers, and social media influencers who regularly share shopping content, deals, product reviews, or recommendations. If your audience likes discovering affordable items or trending products, linking Temu products can be a good fit with your content style. Overall, the Temu affiliate program offers a way to earn by promoting items from a large marketplace with competitive prices. It's not guaranteed income and commission levels vary, but for creators who focus on shopping content and product discovery, it can be a useful source of revenue. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.